I keep track of money and financial records. I am an accountant. I write books, articles, and stories. I am an author. I design and plan the construction of buildings. I am an architect. I study the universe, galaxies, planets, and stars. I am an astronomer. I prepare bread, cakes, and pastries. I am a baker. I slaughter animals and sell meat. I am a butcher. I build and repair tables, chairs, and more. I am a carpenter. I treat oral health, such as teeth and gums. I am a dentist. I treat illnesses and injuries. I am a doctor. I analyze and solve electrical problems. I am an electrician. I engage in agriculture, sow seeds, and harvest crops. I am a farmer. I capture fish and other living animals in the water. I am a fisherman. I am employed to prevent fire from spreading. I am a fireman. I design and sell flowers and bouquets. I am a florist. I maintain and keep gardens clean. I am a gardener. I cut and style people's hair. I am a hairdresser. I preside over court proceedings and give final judgments. I am a judge. I research, write, and edit news stories and articles. I am a journalist. I practice law as an advocate or counselor. I am a lawyer. I supervise swimmers and surfers and rescue them in emergencies. I am a lifeguard. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy wordsmithing. Thanks for watching.